Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of Telegram, and then you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will click on Play Store. You will search about Telegram. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.